In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the tailgate strut support on your Kia Sorento. Located in the trunk. Let's get started. Before we get started, we want to make sure that we support the trunk. In this case, I'm going to be using a pole jack. All right. Once we have the liftgate supported, we're going to move on to the strut support. Using a flathead screwdriver, we're going to go ahead and pry on this tab. Sometimes you have to take them completely off. Sometimes you're able to pry on it and it will slide off. In this case, I'm going to take it off completely. Slide it out of the way. And slide this off. Using the flathead screwdriver, we're going to go ahead and pry on the tab. Take it off, and here's the old one. To install the new one, we want to go ahead and line it up with the bulb. Slide it in place, and do the same on the top. And now we're going to go ahead and remove our pole jack. Once we get that off, simply move it out of the way, and you will repeat the same process on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.